Hello, thank you so much for checking my profile. I am Ramesh Devnath, blockchain engineer, full stack developer, AI architect based in New York. I am specialized in Solidity using Rust, React, Next, Web3, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, API integrations, and so on. I have an experience designing websites, working multiple database platforms, working different web-based applications. I have an experience to work with Python, Node.js, EVM compatible, barcoding, stock management in store and warehouse, KPI integrations, market intel, automation setup in productions, and so on. So if you need any technical support, you can connect me anytime. I am available for 24/7. As a freelancer, my aim is to provide you best solution by using my technical knowledge and skills so that your ideas come into the reality. I would love to hear new projects from you, and I believe I'd be the perfect fit for you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to meet you soon.